Good morning, everyone. It is September 3rd, Thursday, September 3rd. Okay, so I just want to remind you that, and maybe you can remind your parents, that we do have a pickup today at school between 10 and 1, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. to pick up your math books. There will also be like your Jupiter password and some other materials that we put in there. So make sure you guys get that picked up today. When you do go to pick up, if you have the opportunity to do so, this would be a good time to drop things off. So if you have your star handy, and then if you have your goals sheet, remember the goals sheet that we did, as well as your back to school handout, your percent poem, the pie chart and the poem. If you could put all of those either in a baggie or in a folder, that would be great. Just place them inside or put them in a folder and put your name on it, and then have your parents drop that off when they pick up your materials today. If you can't do that for some reason, that's okay. But in October, when we do our drop off, we're going to require that you start turning some things in so that we can look at them and hold on to them for our portfolio book that we make at the end of the year. Okay. So, speaking of the Jupiter Grades login, so during our Zoom meeting today, we're going to go over how to log into Jupiter Grades. You will need your username and password, so you're going to need to get those materials, but we're going to preview how to do that. And then when you get your materials later, you will be assigned, it's an assignment that you will log in to Jupiter Grades and make sure you have that set up. Okay, so today you have the question of the day. You have your letter to self. Yesterday you brainstormed, today you're going to write the letter. You're going to have a review in math going over order of operations and the partial quotients division strategy that we've been working on. In reading, you're going to continue to practice the schema thinking stems that we talked about yesterday during our Zoom meeting. And a lot of you guys have been doing a great job, and I love how you're following the example that's given, but some of you need to go back and you need to look at the directions and the sample. There are 4 parts that you need to do. So if you're just writing one sentence and giving the book a rating, or if you're just, doing a quick little 2-sentence summary, that's not really what we asked you to do. There's 4 parts to it. Also, we are going to go back over the catapult and the geography assignment. I went to look at them and grade them, and I noticed that a lot of you turned it in. I think I had 23, 26, 28 people turn in these assignments, but some of the other parts were missing. Only maybe 6 or 7 or 8 of you had actually finished all the different parts of each assignment. So I'm going to be returning those and giving you the opportunity to go back and complete it. So we're going to go over that in our Zoom meeting today. All right, so for the Zoom meeting, make sure you have a paper and a pencil so that we can take notes. And remember that meeting today is at 8:45. So I will see all of you then. All right. Bye-bye.